Hi, my name is Ravi Jaiswal and I own a company called Crop Range Realty in Pune as founder and CEO. For a legacy with regards to Pune real estate market, if you talk about, it's been almost 15 years I am working here. West Pune is one of the core micro market where buyers are more centralized and buying property for their future needs as well as for their family living. Talking about the micro market where Wakar and Tathawade has been developed in last 5 years like tremendous. If you talk about the connectivity, it is well connected to on BRT Road, Wakar, and all the USPs with regards to the schools. It's actually an education hub location. If you talk about the central corridor of all malls, hospitals, and majorly the connectivity. This is one of the project where Goel Ganga Development have introduced Goel Ganga Amber project in Tathawade location. It is, as I personally see, is one of the project जिसके पास सबसे पहले एक rounded corner wall वाला एक flat निकल के आया था. So they were the first initiator into it. Amenity wise, if you talk about, or the cluster of development, if you talk about 2 BHK, 3 BHK, or this was one of the property in Pune micro market where 1 BHK has 2 washrooms. So it was very prominent in terms of getting the feedback from the market and then developing. So futuristic, if you talk about that, why any individual should take a property and buy in Goel Ganga Amber, there are 3 reasons which I see personally. One is value for money. Secondly, the entire amenity and everything is ready. The crowd, I would not say, but the people who are living here, they are cosmopolitan, majorly into IT, doctors and manufacturing units. Founders and CEOs are living in the vicinity. Children are very, comfortable with their playing grounds. Senior citizens are very comfortable with their sitting place and arena. They can enjoy their present and the upcoming lives in Goel Ganga Amber, I personally see. So I think as a brand, Goel Ganga Development, they are very good. The team who is available at Amber side, they are also very prominent in terms of understanding the client's requirement, giving them services after sale. So it's a hassle-free living and a peaceful place to introduce the situation for rest of the life. Where because if I have to buy a property, I would definitely recommend myself to go with Goel Ganga Development. So I personally wish Goel Ganga Development and management and the entire team very all the best for their upcoming developments, for the new era of real estate in Pune, in Tathawade and the other areas what they develop. Wish them all the best from my entire Crop Range Realty team to them. Yes, यहाँ जिंदगी है, so people should definitely opt about it, and it's a 9.5 rating from my side with regards to all the facilities what we have here. Thank you.